Hi everyone, come and join me on the mat. We're going to take a few moments to look at some ab workout exercises to make sure you get the most out of each crunch that you make. So, come and join me down on the mat and let's go into our crunch. So now, a crunch exercise, we've seen them done many times before. We often think that we know, they've taught everything that we can, but I want you to just take a few moments with me, slow the exercise right down, and let's teach how to get the great benefit from every single rep of the crunch. So first of all, let's get our setup right. Knees bent, heels placed onto the mat, and then really important, I want you to take your fingertips and just slide them underneath your back. Feel the pressure that's under there. Now for most of us, we'll have a slight arch at the back. You'll feel that the spine's beginning to lift. Now that's because we're not even activating our core, and we're about to do an abdominal core exercise. So think about where your ribcage and pelvis are. Pull those 2 points closer together, curling the hips and tailbone under, and pressing the spine down into the mat. Now, just by doing that without performing any movement, you should be able to feel the muscles contract. You should feel them become taut. If not, I want you to try a little bit harder, curl the tailbone under even more. So remember, ribcage and pelvis, they're drawing closer. Spine's pressing closer to the mat, tailbone's under. Now at this point, I want you to draw the belly button in also. Let's enhance that abdominal lock. Then hands up onto temples. As they return to temples, squeeze the shoulder blades together, eyes gaze up, and then let's just begin to roll the spine, peeling it almost as though we're beginning to peel from the crown of our head, through the chin, through the chest, and then through the belly. So the lower spine's beginning to round, and then let's just take it down. Let's do that a few times. Remember, I want you to stop. I want you to reassess what's going on with the hips and pelvis, abdominal lock, hands on temples, and then peel. Just think of peeling tape from the floor. So we pull us up and back down. Let's link 3 or 4 reps together, yeah? So spine down, lift it up, and back. Same again, press the spine down, lift it up, and back. Let's go for one more. Eyes are gazing up, so look at my eye line. It reaches up and down. Hold on to the knee to bring us back up, and let's get us into a safe place. So those teaching points are so important when we're going through our core exercise. First of all, we don't want you to get injured during any of our exercise or activities, but also we don't want you to waste a second here at Switch. Every single second that you're working out and you're moving and you're on board with us, we want it to be of benefit to your body. Taking that little bit of extra time, making sure that you know the workouts in a more intricate way is going to mean that you get the best out of your workout here at Switch. Thank you for joining me. I hope to see you here soon, working out. Take care. Hi everyone, let's have a little bit of a closer look at how you can get the most out of your lunges.